students, welcome back. Let's continue with exercise 18A, properties of triangles. Let's do the 17th sum. I hope your textbooks are in front of you. First, let's read the question. Now, in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. The line segments BC and AD intersect at O. They are saying BC and AD intersect at O. Show that Z is equal to X plus Y. You have to show that this Z is equal to X plus Y. Now children, you know AB is parallel to CD. Now remember the rules of parallel lines. Where these two are parallel and you have a Z shape. That means angle A is also equal to X degrees. Do you remember this Z shape? That means A will also be equal to X degrees. What is your reason? The reason will be alternate angles are equal. These are your alternate angles, isn't it? So, angle A is equal to X degrees. You will write alternate angles are equal. Alright? Now that you know this, children, if you take this triangle, say AOB, and this line is extended, right? So if you see this line extended, that means angle Z becomes your exterior angle. You know Z degree is equal to your exterior angle. And what is the meaning of exterior angle? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Correct? Have you understood, children? Alright. So that means Z degree is equal to this Z. Now just next to it would be your adjacent angle. So which are your opposite? These. So it will be equal to X plus Y. Isn't it? Z is equal to X plus Y. Did you understand? So you have proved now that Z is equal to ZX plus Y. I hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next sum. Let's move on to question 18. Now, what does question 18 say, children? Each base angle of an isosceles triangle is 15 more than its vertical angle. Find each angle of the triangle. Alright? Now, these two children are your base angles. This is an isosceles triangle. Alright? So, these two sides are equal. These are called as your base angles. And this is your vertical angle. Clear? Now, they are saying each base angle is 15 more. Isn't it? Each base angle is 15 more than its vertical angle. That means if your vertical angle is X degrees, this is 15 more, children, means X plus 15 degrees. Alright, so if this is X degrees, then this is X plus 15 degrees, and this also will be X plus 15 degrees. Now, you know the sum of the angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So, let's do it. So, X degrees plus X plus 15 plus X plus 15 is equal to 180 degrees. Clear? X plus 15 plus X plus 15 is equal to 180 degrees. What is your reason? Sum of the angles of a triangle. So 1x plus 1x plus 1x would give me 3x plus 15 plus 15 will give me 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x is equal to 180 plus 30 when I take that side minus 30. So x is going to give me 150 degrees upon 3. So what do I get, children? 3 5s are 15 and 0. X is equal to 50. Clear? So what are my different angles? So x is equal to x is equal to 50 degrees. Right, children? And then I have the other one is x plus 15. So 50 plus 15 would be 65 degrees. So your vertical angle will be equal to 50 degrees and your base angle is equal to 65 degrees. So 50 degrees, 65 degrees and 65 degrees. Clear, children? Let's move on to the next question. Alright, children, I want you to do the 19th sum. I will do the 20th one now. In an isosceles triangle, again they are saying it's an isosceles triangle. Each base angle, which are your base angles, children? These are your base angles. They are saying each base angle is 4 times. Alright, now it's not saying 4 more, it is saying it is 4 times its vertical angle. Find each angle. That means this is your vertical angle. If this is x degrees, this is 4 times, children. So this will be 4x degrees. Clear? So your base angle is 4x, then this is x degrees. Clear? Now you know that x degrees plus 4x degrees plus 4x degrees, right, is equal to 180 degrees. So when I have 4x plus 4x will give me 8 plus 1, 9x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 upon 9, so x is equal to 20 degrees. Alright, so what are my angles going to be? So if this is x, then this is 20 degrees. This will be 2 4s are 80 degrees. This also will be 80 degrees. Right? So my vertical angle is equal to 20 degrees. My base angles are equal to 80. So what are your angles? You have 20 degrees, 80 degrees and 80 degrees. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Alright children, let's move on to question 21. The ratio between the base angle and the vertical angle is 2:5. Find each angle of the triangle. Now children, you know your ratios. We have done sums based on word problems based on ratios, isn't it? So this is a triangle, ratio of a triangle. And what are they saying? The vertical angle is 5, this is 2 and this is 2. Now what are we finding out? The sum of the angles of a triangle. So what are your total, what is the sum of your total angles? It is equal to 180 degrees, correct? Then what is your ratio? Your ratio will be 2:5, isn't it? It is 2:5. What is your total ratio? Your total ratio will be 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So let's find out each angle. So your one angle will be, what is it children? You remember 2 upon 9 into 2 upon 9 into 180 degrees. Then the second angle will be again 2 upon 9 into 180 degrees. And your third angle will be 5 upon 9 into 180 degrees. So when I reduce children, 9 ones are 9 2s are 18, 0. So I get this as 40 degrees. This also will give me 40. 9 1s are 9 2s are 18, 0. So this will give me 100 degrees. Have you all understood, children? The same way how you do your word problems in ratios. Total angle, the sum of the total. This is your sum of the angles of a triangle. This is the total, 180 degrees. Your ratio will be 2 is to 2 is to 5. So total ratio when you add 2 plus 2 plus 5 gives you 9. Then you know how to find your angles. So 2 upon 9 into 180 gives you 40. Again it's the same thing. So that's 40 and your third angle will be 5 upon 9 into 180 which is equal to 100 degrees. So your base angles are 40 degrees and your vertical angle is equal to 100 degrees. Clear? Let's move on to the next sum. Alright, now children, let's read question 22. In the given figure, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle whose side BC has been produced in both the directions to D and E. So they are saying this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. That means all the three sides are equal. And remember children, I have told you, when all three sides are equal, all the three angles also become equal. And they are saying these two sides have been extended to D and E. So what do they say? You have to prove that angle ACD is equal to angle ABE. Alright? Now, first thing is, you know that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. This is given to you. That means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Correct? So each angle is equal to 60 degrees because it is an equilateral triangle. So let me write it. So this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees and this is 60 degrees. Now children, you know that angle ACD is your exterior angle. Correct? And what is the meaning of exterior angle? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, isn't it? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So, you know that angle ACD, that is this, is equal to angle A plus angle B, that is 60 plus 60 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. Clear? Alright, now let's come here. So, you know this is 120 degrees, you found out. Now, if you see this side, children, angle ABE is also your exterior angle. Correct? Angle ABE is also your exterior angle. So, what is that going to be? Angle ABE, that is this side, is equal to angle A plus angle C. Angle A plus angle C. So, angle ABE is also equal to 60 plus 60, which is equal to 120 degrees. So, both are equal, isn't it? Therefore, angle ACD is equal to, therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle ABE. I'm sure you've understood this. Let's move on to the last question of this exercise, question 23. So children, now let's move on to question 23. Find the unknown angles in question 23. Children, I will work out the fourth and the fifth sum. 1, 2, 3 and 6 you will work out. If you have a doubt, please get back to me. So let's move on to the fourth sum. Now this is your figure And now what does it say? Or looking at the figure, children, can you tell me what do you understand? Now we have triangle ABC, and you know these are extended, and they are saying AB is equal to AC, right? AB is equal to AC. So when AB is equal to AC, that means angle C is equal to angle B. So this angle C is equal to angle B. Let's name both as angle 1. Okay, let's name both these angles as angle 1. Now children, if you look here, 110 is a straight line. So I know 110 plus 1 is equal to 180 degrees, right? 110 degrees plus this angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. This is your straight line. So angle 1 will be 180 degrees minus 110. So your angle 1 will be 70 degrees. Clear? Alright. Now, so you have found out this, children. So you know now this is 70 degrees and this also is equal to 70 degrees. Right? Have you all understood? Now children, you know that this is a isosceles triangle. Now this is 70, this is 70. You can easily find out angle A. You know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Some of the angles of a triangle. Now angle A is y degrees plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. So y degrees plus 140 is equal to 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 minus 140 degrees. So y is equal to 40 degrees. Clear children? So now I have got this as 40 degrees. Now x is my exterior angle, isn't it? X is your exterior angle, and you know that exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So x degrees is equal to 40 plus 70, where x is equal to 110 degrees. Clear children? Have you understood? So I will do the fifth sum now. Alright children, now let's move on to the fifth sum of exercise 18A question 23. Alright, now what does this say? Just look at the figure properly children and just see what does this figure say. Now if you look at it, we have two triangles, isn't it? Now let's take one of the triangles. First let's take this triangle, triangle ABC. Alright, let's write here. In triangle ABC. Alright, now if you see here, AC is equal to BC, right? AC is equal to BC. So this is also an isosceles triangle, remember. So a triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. Now AC means angle B will be equal to angle A. Remember, in an isosceles triangle, when two sides are equal, their opposite angles will be equal. So, now you know that angle A is equal to 70 degrees. That means this angle will also be equal to 70 degrees. Clear children? Have you understood? So now it's easy for me to find out angle Y. You know that Y plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. Y plus 140 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 140. So your y degrees is equal to 40 degrees. Clear? Okay. Now that I found out this side, Now let's come here. Children, see properly. Now let's take this triangle. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. Now this is my triangle. Which is it? A, B and D. Now what does this triangle say? It says that AB is equal to BD. Correct? This is also an isosceles triangle and these two sides are equal. So which are their opposite angles? Angle D, because this is ABD, the missing one. Angle D is equal to angle A. What is your angle D, children? Angle D is equal to x degrees. So angle A will also be equal to x degrees. So this is x degrees. Now how do I work out here, children? Now you know that 70 degrees is your, correct, 70 will be your exterior angle. Why? It is outside the triangle, isn't it? 70 degrees is your exterior angle. And you know exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So x plus x degrees is equal to 70 degrees, right? 70 is equal to x plus x. Sum of opposite interior angles. Sum means to add. So 2x is equal to 70 degrees. X is 70 upon 2, where x is equal to 35 degrees. Children, I hope I'm clear with this. If you have any doubts, please get back to me. Children, with this, I finish exercise 18A. I will see you in the next class. Bye for now.